what we established was that when you pass 5 volts or 3 volts through the LED, you're most likely to blow it. It will just it will be too much current for it to handle. And the maximum current that the LED can handle is 20 milliamperes. So I could do a quick search, or you can do a quick search to find out an LED data sheet, and they'll tell you the common for most common LEDs, the maximum current it can handle is 20 milliamperes. So in this particular case, we have 5 volts. If we divide 5 volts by the 20, we are actually looking around 250 50 milliamperes because it's milli, we multiply it by 1000. And hence it becomes 250 ohms. So basically 5 divided by 20, 20 is divided by 1000, and obviously it will go up to be a multiplication. The same way, if you are, that's why we use 220 ohms resistor on there. The same way, if you are using, let's say 3 volts, and then you divide the 3 by the 20 milliamperes, and you need about 150 ohms resistor, so times 1000. I hope that helps set the scene.